Have you ever wished your crush could feel a little closer to you, without having to chase them or pretend to be someone you're not? What if making someone feel attracted to you isn't about saying the perfect thing? Sometimes, it's about a few small behaviors that make a person feel comfortable, understood, and emotionally connected to you. Here are 5 psychology-based tips that can make your interactions with your crush feel completely different. 1. Make them feel genuinely seen. When we're attracted to someone, we often try to impress them. We talk about our achievements, our interests, and everything we think might make us look attractive. But there's a better approach. Pay attention to the small things they tell you. If they mention an upcoming exam, ask how it went later. If they tell you about something they're excited about, remember it. Why does this work? Because being remembered sends a powerful message. You matter enough for me to notice. And that feeling can be far more attractive than a perfectly planned compliment. But there's another simple trick that can make this connection even stronger. 2. Give them your full attention. Have you ever been talking to someone who keeps checking their phone? Even if they're listening, you can feel that they're not really there. Now imagine the opposite. Your crush is talking, and you put your phone away, look at them, react to what they're saying, and actually stay present. That creates a completely different emotional experience. People naturally appreciate those who make them feel heard. So don't focus on saying something impressive. Focus on making the conversation feel good. And surprisingly, your next move should be less about talking. 3. Create a little emotional excitement. Attraction doesn't grow from serious conversations alone. Sometimes it's the tiny moments that become memorable. A ridiculous inside joke. Trying something neither of you has done before. Laughing about something that happened earlier that day. These moments create shared experiences. And shared experiences give two people something that belongs to them rather than everyone else. So instead of constantly asking, "What should I text them?" try asking, "What memorable moment could we create together?" That question changes everything. 4. Let them discover the real you. Trying too hard to appear perfect can actually make you harder to connect with. If you always agree with everything your crush says, hide your weird sense of humor, and carefully filter every opinion, they may like your image, but they don't really know you. Instead, let small pieces of your real personality show. Tell them what you genuinely enjoy. Share an unusual opinion. Laugh when you make a mistake, instead of pretending it didn't happen. You don't need to impress someone into liking you. You need to give them something real to like. And there's one final tip that can make all 4 of these matter much more. 5. Don't make them do all the guessing. You can create chemistry, share laughs, and build emotional connection. But if your crush has absolutely no idea whether you're interested, nothing may happen. You don't need a dramatic confession. Just make your interest slightly clearer. Invite them somewhere. Give them a sincere compliment. Start the conversation sometimes. Take a small step and see whether they take one toward you. Because healthy attraction isn't about manipulating someone into chasing you. It's about creating an opportunity for both people to choose each other. So, if you want to melt your crush's heart, don't try to become someone they're impressed by. Make them feel seen. Make them feel comfortable. Create memories. Be genuine. And have the courage to show interest. Because the most attractive thing you can give someone isn't perfection. It's the feeling that they can be themselves around you.